Now, something happened to one of my students, and I'm not happy about it. And I feel I should share it to us because I believe so many of us might be passing through um, the same issue. And sometimes you cannot fathom what really is happening to your birds. And that's why I'm saying that if you want to go into broiler farming, make sure you have the knowledge. It's going to help you. I see a lot of people go and buy birds, and immediately they buy the birds, they will come on the comment section and be asking, I just bought my birds now. What is the next thing I should do? That's a wrong move that you are doing. It's a wrong attitude. You want to be a doctor, and you went and got lab coats, and you went and got this stethoscope, and you want to start going to the hospital to treat patients without not passing through the medical school. What do you think you are doing? It means that any patients that come to you is in trouble because you are not qualified. This broiler farming is very, vast. We only know of coccidiosis. We only know of other, some related issues when it comes to broiler farming. But there are others that, that comes. When it comes, you will try all you could, and you will see that you are failing. This my student had the issue of heart enlargement in broiler birds, and she didn't know what was going on. The birds are healthy. All of a sudden, she noticed that she started losing her birds. As of when she told me, although I've been very busy, and then when I saw her voice notes, I was worried. So when she told me, she said she had already lost 7 grown birds at 6 weeks. That she bought these birds at 2 weeks, and she trained them for 1 month. But there's something she noticed. At 3 weeks, they're already heavy and very weighty. That they were even weighing 2 kg plus at that time. She was now wondering what is going on. Every poultry farmer, once you see your birds growing big, you'll be happy. But to me, if a bird is growing that big, because of the experiences that I've had, I will start trying to, put one to one together and then know what to do. Because a normal bird is supposed to grow gradually till it gets to a stage that you know that this bird is at this stage and this is normal weight is supposed to carry. But when you see a bird, growing too much more than the way it's supposed to grow, it should send you a red flag that something is going on. There are birds you will buy, you will see them, they will have overweight and they will grow so fast. Those kind of birds, they don't end up well in your farm. Why? They will get, what is it called, heart failure. You will see them, they're healthy birds, all of a sudden they will just give up. When they are at 6 weeks or 5 weeks, you see them, you start losing your birds at that time. Now, I'm talking about heart enlargement in broiler farming. This is a situation whereby the heart of your bird grow bigger more than the normal size, and it affects your birds. And when you notice that your birds are growing, more than this size, maybe at 3 weeks, you see them, they're already big as if they're 6 weeks. Please, quickly stop that feed that you are giving them. Look for how you will reduce that feed so that it will not be making them to be growing too fat again. Once you notice your birds are growing that big, like that, more than their size, it's going to make their heart to collapse. Quickly, reduce their feed protein and then mix it with finisher so that it will help to balance it. And again, in their water, try to put turmeric to help them so that when they drink, it will help their hearts. Or you give them lemongrass to detoxify their hearts. Again, when they are having this kind of weight, they will be having low oxygen. Because she said that she had to dissect one of the birds. And then she noticed that their heart is big, very big. Their organs inside were very big. Everywhere was filled up. How will that bird have oxygen? So they will be needing more ventilation. She said she gave them a lot of ventilation. She did all, but she will just see healthy birds will just give up. It is heart enlargement problem in broiler farming. Sometimes you see your birds, they are doing well, all of a sudden they just give up. So why I'm bringing this is when you notice your bird is growing more than the way it's supposed to grow, don't rejoice because that bird might give up at any time. Like my bird, the age they are in now, they are 4 weeks plus. With good maintenance, you will see that they are growing well. But at this stage, if I see that my birds are 3 weeks, I'm getting this kind of weight, it will send a signal to me. And that is why you should be an observing poultry farmer. Okay? And you should have experience too. So when I see it, I will know what to do immediately. Some people you see, they say, it's very big, my birds are growing very well. Yes, it's growing very well, but will that bird stay alive till when you sell it? That's the question. So please, once you notice this, try to give ventilation so that they will have enough fresh air. Try to reduce the feed intake and try to withdraw feed from them for some hours to help them stay alive. Give them water, give them what's it called, ventilation. Try to put turmeric in their water. It's going to help your birds. Or you give them more especially lemongrass juice or lemongrass water. It's going to help to detoxify their hearts and help them to stay alive. I hope this video helps you. See you in my next one. Bye for now.